So I want to ask you a couple of questions about
Sure.
the product itself. Now,
Right.
the product itself, is it compatible with Droid and iOS?
Yes, it's compatible with both systems. And for more information, since the new iPhone 15 series comes out, the iPhones are using USB-C port. So we have a converter that can be used on iPhone 15 series, and that is new to the market.
So
yes.
I own the Flare. Personally,
Right.
I own the Flare. It's a
Right.
larger product.
Yes.
More bulkier.
Yes.
And the software is very difficult to use, and I see
Right.
that the software is easier to manipulate here. Now, what's the name of this application that you need? And
Yeah.
do you have it on the Apple Store and at the Play Store?
Right. So basically, we have it on the Apple Store and on the Google Play. So the app name is P2 Pro on the Google Play and the Thermal P2 on App Store. So you can find it. It's totally free, and we will keep the updates basically monthly. So we have like new features come out pretty much every month.
Okay. Another question is pricing. Is it two different prices on each unit? Like
Yep.
the first unit I see here. What's
Right.
the price on that one?
So the price for the P2 Pro really so we have like two versions. So with the macro lens, which you can use to observe like in really close range.
Which is this one right here?
No, it's
Oh.
not that one. It's
It's a smaller one.
it's right here. No,
Oh.
that's the micro lens.
Oh my God, that's even
Yeah.
better.
So you can even see the fingerprint. So with the micro lens, this unit set will be $299. Yeah, without the micro lens, it's gonna be $239.
39. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.